beans in coconut milk. Add some oil in a sufuria, and you are going to swirl that around and add your onions. Mix, 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 mix. And you are going to come in with some ginger and some garlic. I used ginger garlic paste, which I've made before. Reduce your flame, fire, heat, so that things don't burn. Add some tomatoes, Royco cubes, cumin, garam masala, and mix, 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 mix. Then you're going to cover and let it cook for a bit. And you're going to come in, mix, and just see if everything is well combined. Add your beans into the mix. Mix the beans with the mchuzi spice, and add some water, not too little, not too much, just depending on the amount of soup you want, because you're going to let it cook and reduce down. And then add your coconut milk and taste to see if everything is good. I had to add some salt to mine. And then you are going to mix that and let it boil just a bit, and everything is set. We are good to go. Our food is yummy, and we are just going to remove that and serve it in a bowl, or if you want to serve it on your plate, whatever. And you are going to eat this with rice or chapati or any other thing that people like to do, and some burger there, and enjoy.